In this video we are going to discuss about what is division, how to divide any number, relation between multiplication and division, types of division, properties of division, rules for long division, and division by 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. What is division? Here are some definitions of division. The first one, the separation of something into different parts, the sharing of something between different people, groups, places, etc. Second, division is an operation of repeated subtraction. Third, division is a mathematical representation of distributing or dividing things. Fourth, division allows us to divide or share numbers to find an answer. Now, relation between multiplication and division. In multiplication, we multiply first number into second number and we get answer. In division, always the dividend will be the greatest number, which we can say answer in case of multiplication, and we divide that number from one of this number, for example here second number, to get the answer as a first number. In division we used to say answer as dividend, the second number as divisor and the first number as quotient or answer. Types of division. There are three types of division. The first one, direct division. Here we take the divisor and first of all we make the table of that and we just find out in which number of table the answer is coming. For example here 8 3s are 24. 24 is coming in 3s of 8 table. So the answer is 3. The second one is fractional division. In this division, we read the table of the denominator to get the numerator. Here same 8 3s are 24. So answer is 3. And the third one is long division method. Long division method, we just keep the dividend in the middle and we divide from the divisor and we write quotient on the upside or right side. Here in this case 8 3s are 24. Properties of division. There are some properties. First one, multiplication and division facts of 1. Multiplication facts. When a number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number as the product. For example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 6 into 1 equals to 6, 7 into 1 equals to 7, 8 into 1 is equals to 8. But when a number is divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. For example, 5 divided by 1 equals to 5, 6 divided by 1 equals to 6, 7 divided by 1 equals to 7, 8 divided by 1 equals to 8. And when number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. For example, 5 divided by 5 equals to 1, 6 divided by 6 equals to 1, 7 divided by 7 equals to 1, 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. Second, when we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. In multiplication, 5 into 0 equals to 0, 6 into 0 equals to 0, 7 into 0 equals to 0 and 8 into 0 equals to 0. In division facts, we divide 0 from any number, we get answer as 0. Here 0 divided by 5 equals to 0, 0 divided by 6 equals to 0, 0 divided by 7 equals to 0 and 0 divided by 8 equals to 0. The third one, we cannot divide any number by 0. It is not defined the answer when we divide any number with 0. Rules for long division. These are not the rules, but we have to follow this procedure to get the correct answer. The first one, write the dividend, that is the largest number, in the middle. Second, write the divisor in left side. Third, write the quotient or answer in up or right side. Fourth, write the table of divisor. Fifth, divide single number at a time. Bring down only one number for one time. 6. Subtract the number after division. Let us take an example. 487 divided by 2. Here the largest number is 487, which is dividend also. So we will keep division in the middle. Then the second point, write the divisor in the left side. Divisor is 2. So we will write divisor in the left side. Third, write the quotient or answer in up or right side. Here we have place in up side, so we will write quotient or answer in the up side. Now the fourth, write the table of divisor. So here is the table of 2. Then divide single number at a time. So here in the table 4 is coming in the 2 place. So 2 2s are 4. So we will write 2 as quotient and 4 just below the 4. Then we will subtract the number from the dividend, that is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Then bring down only one number for one time. So we will bring down the 8. Now here 8 is coming in the 4th place, so 2 4s are 8. So 4 will be in the answer place and 8 will be just down below the 8. And 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Now we will bring down the 7. Here 7 comes in between 6 and 8. Here we can see in between 6 and 8 7 will come. So we will take the smaller number, that is 6. So we will write 6 here. And 6 is coming in the third number, that is 2 3s are 6. So we will write 3 in the answers place. So now we will subtract the 6 from the 7. So we will get 1 as remainder. Division of one digit number. Let us take some example. Divide 426 by 2. So first of all we will write the dividend in the middle, that is 426. Then we will write the divisor in the left side. Then step 1, divide 400 by 2. So 4 coming in the 2 place, that is 2 2s are 4. We will write 2 in the hundredths place of the quotient, and then we will subtract 4 minus 4, that is 0. Now we will bring down the second 2. Now we will divide this 2. Now here 2 is coming in the ones place, so 2 1s are 2. So we will write 1 here in the quotient place, and we will write 2 here in the just down below the dividend. We will subtract 2 from the 2, that is 0. Now we will bring down the 6 ones and divide 6 ones by 2. So 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So we will write 3 in ones place and in of the quotient, and we will subtract 6 minus 6, that is 0. So here remainder is 0. So the quotient is 213. Now division of one digit number with remainder. Divide 695 by 3. Now we will write the dividend in the middle, that is 695, divisor in the left side, that is 3. Now step 1, divide 600 by 3, that is 3 2s are 6. So we will write 2 in the quotient place and we will subtract 6, that is 0. Then we will bring down 9. Now 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Then we will bring down the 5. 5 is coming in between the 3 and 6. So we will write we will take the lesser number, that is 3, and we will write 3 here. We will write 1 in the quotient place. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Now after subtracting, if something is left, that is 2 in this case, so that is called remainder. So the answer is 231 and the remainder is 2. Division of one digit number with regrouping. Example, divide 763 by 3. We will write 763 in the middle, 3 in the left side. Now step 1, start with hundredth place, that is 7. 7 divided by 3 equals to 2. Why? Because 7 comes in between 6 and 9. So we will take the lesser number, that is 6. So we will write 6 here, and 3 2s are 6, so we will write 2 in hundredth place. So 3 2s are 6, we will subtract 6 from 7. Then we will bring down the 6 in the tens place. Now it is becoming 16 in this place. This is 16 in the dividend place. So we will divide from 3 the 16. So (16) is the new dividend. So we will divide 16 by 3, and 16 will come in between 15 and 18. So we will take the lesser number, that is 15. So we will write 15 here, and we will write 5 in the tens place. Now 16 minus 15 equals to 1. Again 1 is remainder. We will bring down the 3. Now it is becoming 13, and 13 comes in between 12 and 15. So we will take 12 because 12 is lesser number than 13. Now 3 4s are 12, so we will write 4 in the ones place, and we will subtract 12 from 13. So 1 is left. After subtracting 1 is left, so here the 1 is remainder. So the quotient is 254 and remainder is 1. Now division by 2 digit numbers with regrouping. Here example, find 445 divided by 14. We will write 445 in dividend place and 14 in divisor place. Now we will write down the table of 14. The first one, 44. Now 44 comes in between 42 and 56. So we will take the lesser number, that is 42, and it comes in the 3 place. So we will write 3 here and 42 just down below the 44. Now we will subtract 42 from 44. So the answer will be 2. Now we will bring down the 5. Now it has become 25. 25 comes in between 14 and 28. So we will take the lesser number, that is 14. So we will write 14 here and 1 here. Now 25 minus 14 equals to 11. So here in this place 11 is remainder and 31 is quotient. So the quotient is 31 and remainder is 11. Here if you want to check your answer is correct or not, then here is a simple formula for that. That is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we multiply divisor and quotient plus add remainder to get dividend. In this case 445 is dividend, divisor 14, quotient 31 and remainder 11. So we multiply divisor and quotient, that is 14 into 31, that is 434, and then we add remainder as 11 to get 445, that is same equals to dividend. So here in both the places same number is coming, so our answer is true. Now division by 2 digit numbers with regrouping. Example, find 2197 divided by 24. Here again we will divide 21 from 24, but 21 is lesser than 24. We cannot divide 21 from 24. So we will take 3-digit number. So we will take 219 at the same time. So 219 comes under 216 and 240. So we will take the lesser number, that is 216, that is 9 ja. So 24 9 ja 216, then we just subtract, answer is 3, then we bring down the 7. Now we will divide 37 by 24. 37 comes in between 24 and 48. So we will take the lesser number, that is 24. We will write 24 here, and 24 1 is 24. So we will write 1 in the quotient place. Now here 37 minus 24, that is 13. So the remainder is 13 and quotient is 91. Division by 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Example, 4759 divided by 251. So we will write the table of 251. Then here the divisor is of 3-digit number, so we will take 3-digit for divide, that is 475. 475 comes in between 251 and 502. So we will take lesser number, that is 251. We will write 251 here, and 251 1 ja 251. So we will write 1 in the quotient place. Now we will subtract 475 minus 251 equals to 224. Then we will bring down the 9. Now it is 2249. 2249 comes in between 2008 and 2259. So we will take the lesser number, that is 2008. So 251 8 ja 2008. We will subtract, the answer is 241, that is remainder, and the 18 is quotient. Let's take one more example. 57,954 divided by 248. First of all, we will write the table of 248. Then 248 2 ja 496. We will subtract 496 from 579. Answer is 83. Then we will bring down the 5. Now 248 3 ja 744. We will subtract, answer is 91. So we will bring down the 4. Now 248 3 ja 744, because 248 4 ja 992 is greater than 914. So we will take the lesser number, that is 744, and we will subtract, the remainder is 170, and the quotient is 233.